everyone, my name's Ava, and today we are going to learn how to make the castanet. Let's go!
Making music melodies.
So what is the castanet? The castanet is a clacking device that looks like this, that you can use to make music. It's almost like clapping, but it's one of our DIY instruments that can help you all get a better understanding of music. So, let's go over everything that you need to make the castanet. First, you're going to need some cardboard or construction paper. I just have some construction paper that I folded. Then you will need some bottle caps. And to glue it all down, you'll need some, glue. All I have is glitter glue, but it should do the trick. And make sure to ask an adult for help if you have any questions or anything like that. Step 1. We are going to take our piece of construction paper or cardboard and fold it in half. Just like so. Because eventually we're going to get it to go like this. So step 2. We are going to take a bottle cap and place it in the middle of one side. So we have side 1, side 2. So we're going to take the bottle cap and put it in the middle near the edge. As you can see here, I'm just going to take my glue and glue it down. And now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So step 3, you just take your castanet once it's dry and you fold it. And then you can start clacking and making some music. To test out our castanets, we are going to practice one of the clapping rhythms from previous videos. So, it'll be on your screen. It's just straight quarter notes and we're going to take the repeats. So we're going to go da, 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 just like that. So, let's get ready with our castanet. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, everyone. We hope you had a lot of fun making the castanet with us and practicing along to some other rhythms. Make sure to stay tuned for next week, and if you have any questions, make sure to email us. Bye!